Welcome back to our channel, Quick Learning. So, now our topic is informal writing rules. So, before starting, kindly subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends. Thank you. So, in my previous video, I told you about formal writing rules. Now, I'll tell you about informal writing rules. Okay. So, number one is that informal writing is like a spoken conversation. So, it may therefore include number one, slang. Number 2, figures of speech. Number 3, broken syntax. And number 4, asides. The examples are like CUS is a short form of because. Okay. Then gonna is a short form of going to. Then what's up means how are you doing. So on the left hand side you see the slang words or a small version or a broken sentences. But on the right hand side these are the formal language. Okay, so yeah, I don't know, nah, whatever. So these all are the examples of slangs. Then second point is the rule in informal writing is a personal tone as if you were speaking directly to your audience. Like informal writing is often very conversational in style. The writer often uses the first person I and we and will also address the reader directly using the second person like you and your. In my formal writing rules, if you have seen the video, you can see the difference that in formal writing you can't see the first person pronoun. But here we use the first person pronoun. So, third is a simple structure and approach. So, basically, as in conversation, both sentences and paragraphs tend to be shorter in informal writing. And this is especially true in writing for the internet. Writers may also use incomplete sentences or ellipses to make points. So, contractions and abbreviations within the text. So, just as in speech, words may be shortened or abbreviated in informal writing, and you will therefore see contractions, for example, I am, doesn't, couldn't, it's, and abbreviations like TV, photos, use much more in this form of writing. So, if you haven't seen the formal writing rules, and I recommend you to go back and see it because then you can compare both of them. Okay, in this video I told you have to write TV, but in that video I told you have to write television, not TV. Okay, and second point is here we use I am, doesn't, couldn't, it's, but in formal writing we use I am not, does not, could not, it's not. Okay, so these are the differences, and if you like then you can comment me, I can make a separate video to differentiate them. So, contractions and abbreviations, these are some examples for you to understand. Like on the left hand side, you have seen the formal language, on the right hand side, it's the informal. Like informal is aren't, can't, couldn't, don't, haven't, he's, here's, I am, I have, I will, it will, must not, she's, that's, they are, they have, we are, we have, we will, and we would. So these are the short forms that we use in informal writing. So empathy and emotion. So in informal writing, a writer will often show more empathy towards the reader. They may, for example, explain a more complex thought more clearly. So this is linked to the more personal style in informal writing, which is more suited to conveying emotions. So thank you. That's all from my side. Kindly do subscribe me.